everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do a small TEMU order of an order I put together for my large one. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So I did get a larger order, a TEMU order. And I reached into the bag. It sounds like a magical bag. Well, it kind of is with diamond paintings. And I grabbed 3 of them. 2 of them, okay, the topic went well. And the third one, it just didn't go. So I reached in again and I got a third one and they all match perfectly. They're all really good for Halloween. Ooh. I know we're about to hit October. So when I was doing this order, I made sure, let me get some kind of Halloween or October fallish paintings, and I fell in love with these 3 when I saw them. And my apologies for my nails, I haven't a chance to correct my polish, so sorry about that. I try really hard to make sure they're nice and sparkly, but it's been a long week, so apologies for it. So the first painting, when I first saw this one, I fell in love with it. I love the colors, I love the image, and I just thought it was so pretty, and it's perfect for Halloween. And these 3 paintings are bigger ones. So no 20 by 20s this time. Oh. And mostly because I don't believe I ordered a lot of 20 by 20s with this order. No, I don't believe so. But I'll check the next time I reach into the bag to get some paintings. So the standard canvas always has your diamonds and your standard kit. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, the standard kit is always the tray, the wax, and the pen. And all you do is pour the diamonds into the tray, press the pen into the wax, press it on the diamond, press it on the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And again, do not worry. In case you lose it or if it breaks, trust me, your next painting is going to have you covered. And these are the diamonds. Ooh, I'm liking that I'm starting to see a lot of the canvases, especially from TEMU, already have them kitted up. And kitting up just means that they're organized and put into little Ziploc bags, for example. So you don't need to cut or anything with these. They're resealable bags, so you can just open the color, and when you're going to start the painting, just voila, just start working out of the bags. Myself, I think I say it every time I get these diamonds. I have a history of spilling them from the bags, so that's why I always kit them up in my little tube storage. But if you're comfortable in this style, go for it. I really appreciate they've been putting a lot more paintings in this style. Makes it easier for pretty much all of us. And I really love these colors. There's a lot of nice fall colors. I love that banana cream color, brown and blue. I'm a big fan of that. Ooh, these are really nice. And I love that they handwritten, and this is probably like the 4th or 5th painting I've caught this, which I really appreciate. This is the indicator for the painting. Myself, I do store the paintings and the diamonds in 2 different locations, so I do write on marker the indicator or the name of the painting. I appreciate that they're doing it. I'm not too sure if it's for us, but if it is, thank you. So this is the painting. I love the aesthetic, the color, the style, and of course the wonderful witches. So they're just a kind of a little group of witches walking through a field of flowers towards the lighted sky. And I love that their silhouettes, their back is to us. And I'm going to fix the cover a bit because it's trying to crease on, kind of fold back in on me. And I'm kind of just going to help it even out and take care of the creases. And all I really do whenever I do that is just pretty much pick up the plastic, lay it back down, and it'll kind of settle a little bit. So the creases will start kind of easing off. And myself, I do keep them in a portfolio. So the creases do go out they do disappear after a while. It helps if I kind of lay it nice and flat. And yeah, oh my goodness, the canvas really wants to crease back up. This is a tougher canvas. I felt it when I was unfurling it. And as you can see in the back, you can hear it too when I did that. And I do love these canvases because I usually hang them on my wall, not framed or anything. So they're really tough. So if you put them on your wall and you seal them or any manner that you would like to, decorate with your paintings, These are really sturdy canvases. That's why I'm a fan of them. So I love all the little flowers at the bottom. And I just, honestly, I just love the witches. When I saw them, I just think it's so, so neat. It's, I don't know, it looks, and you can see in the distance some witches kind of flying. It looks like witches flying in the sky. And it looks like a settlement in the back with a little mountain. These wonderful colored sky with the clouds and everything. Oh my goodness, this painting is so pretty. I love this. Maybe I should work on this. I haven't had a chance to work on one of my larger TEMU paintings, but I really like this one. And apologies, some information about the painting. It is we 824, and it is a 30 by 40, and it is 21 colors. And the legend, ooh, thank goodness, is all capitalized letters. No numbers, no symbols, anything like that. So easy peasy for me, because I just have to look for letters. And this painting is really, really clear. As you can probably see in the sky, any lighter colors, it's a darker color. And some of the darker colors do have more of a white background. So anytime I see, for example, the witches are going to be I believe there are 310. Oh, no. 939? Yeah, they're 939. And they're a really, really dark color. They're white for the lettering. So I really love that it's clear. This painting is really clear. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. As I said, I love the little design of it, and it looks like it's supposed to be painted. When I first saw the image, that's kind of what it made me think of. I'm a big fan of this. 21 colors. Huh. If I sit down and actually kind of work on it, maybe I might be able to finish it in October, and if I do, I'll let you all know. And just in case you don't see it too well, I'll make sure to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen, just in case of a nice little group of marching witches. It's your style as well. I say marching, but for all I know, they're just all going for a walk. What do I know? I just think it's real pretty. So this is the next painting. This one, oh my goodness, this is so cute. And first time I saw it, I usually don't get paintings in this style, but I love the cat, and I just love the image. It's so cute. And let me put that aside real quick. And unfurl the canvas. And again, standard kit. And these are your diamonds. Ooh, see? 2 for 2. They're all kitted up. And oh my goodness, yay, they wrote on it. And yeah, these are really, really pretty colors. I really like them. And same thing, if you want to work on the painting, you just open this and just start grabbing resealable bags and go for it. I love these teals. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Oh, I really love these colors. Let me see if I can get a little closer for you. Oh, I'm a big fan of that. And here are a couple of earthy tones. I love this really dark violet. Oh, I love these colors. They're super, super pretty. And this is the image. It is so cute. It's a little black cat looking at a little happy ghost floating with a wonderful moon, wonderful black sky with wonderful stars, clouds surrounding them, and the happy, well, they look maybe not that happy jack-o'-lanterns. It is so cute. It is such a Halloween image, and when I saw it, I just fell in love with it. As I said, I love the little kitty cat. That's actually the first thing I saw, and then I saw the little happy ghost. I don't purchase paintings that have ghosts or anything like that. Not that they don't appeal to me, it's just I haven't seen one that I kind of like. And this one is just too cute. So, and I love the cat and the ghost. Like, I just love how it looks together. And the style of it is just so cute, and I really love this. Maybe I should work on this one, because I don't have a lot of Halloween paintings. And it's a 30 by 30, so I could probably work it up pretty quickly. Oh, so cute. I really like this one. And some information about the painting. It is JK. I didn't say that. That's the name of the painting. 3381, and it's a 30 by 30. It is 15 colors. Huh, I thought for sure it might be in the 20. There's a lot of details in the clouds here in the bottom, here in the middle, and even the little ghost. There's little kind of extra details because it looks like, you know, like a cover hanging over, well, for example, spirit. That is really cool. I really love this painting. And the drill field is really clear. Anything dark has white, anything lighter has dark color. This is a really clear painting. I'm a big fan of it. And for the legend, it is all alphabetical, sorry, capitalized letters. Ooh, that is real neat. And I noticed this painting did it. It has a legend on the top left and another one on the lower right. I'm a big fan of that. Ooh, and I turn my paintings when I diamond paint, so that's what I appreciate whenever they have the legends like that. This is so cute. I really like. Maybe this is the one I should work. As I said, it's a 30 by 30, so. But I'm not sure. I'll have to think about it. And just in case you can't see it too clearly, I'm going to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen of a nice little black cat with a ghost. It's your style as well, especially for October. And so for my final painting, this one is the largest one. I super fell in love with this painting. And I believe I might purchase the painting. The style kind of looks familiar of another TEMU painting I had bought before. And it's also kind of has a witch on it. And the style that it's drawn kind of looks like this one. But I'm not too sure if it's the same artist. I haven't checked. I should check that because I noticed it when I saw this one. And just unfurler real quick. Same thing. Standard kit, as I said. Always find it. And these are the diamonds. Oh, I really wanted 3 for 3, but it's alright. I don't mind these little packets because I do cut them up and I do, apologies, I do kit them up into my storage unit, so I have no problems with them. Ooh, but I do love the colors. That is a lot of dark purple. It's a big bag. I can actually see it on the side. Really light violet to light to lilac, a gray. Oh my goodness, I really like these colors. Oh, there's more purples. I really like this one. You can also see in the bottom, a couple of pinks, a couple light purples. Oh, I really like this. And this is the image. I fell in love with it. As I said, I love witches. That sounds kind of funny when I say it like that. But I love a lot of diamond paintings that have witches on it. And a lot of my, I do have a lot of diamond paintings that have, the witch is the main focal point. And the same thing, I'm just picking it up to help with the creases. I'm just going to go real slow because I don't want to crumble it again. It's a nice witch. She's just there being all sassy. She looks so sassy. And looking at her book with her tarot cards and a wonderful little black cat, her drink, and wonderful purple flowers in the back. There is a lot of purple with this painting. And I fell in love when I saw it. Blue is my favorite color, but I love really dark purple. Or it's just, I don't know, there's just something really regal about it. I don't know. I think it's real pretty. I love her hair, and she has even little purple eyeshadow. I love that they put makeup on her. It's so pretty. And I don't buy a lot of portrait images, but this one I just fell in love when I saw it. And it was actually, TEMU recommended it to me. Since, you know, sometimes the search will recommend you, well, anything that you're searching for, majority of the time is diamond paintings for me. Recommended this one for me, and I lucked out. This one was, all of these were on lightning deals. This one too, so I was super surprised when I saw it. I picked it up. Oh, it's such a beautiful painting. Oh, I love the book and everything. Oh, so cute. I love it. And some information about the painting. It is YY. Sorry, 265, and it's 40 by 40. It is 19 colors. Oh, look at that. For 40 by 40, I thought for sure it was going to be 25, but since there's so much purple everywhere, I think that's why some of the bags I saw were really thick. Kind of makes sense why it's not that many colors. And the legend, it is all, woo, I lucked out. 3 for 3. They're all capitalized letters. So, and this one as well, it has a legend on the top left and one on the lower right. I really like that. Okay, maybe this one I should, no, but it's a 40 by 40. It's a little bigger, and it'll take me a little longer to, and I know it's about to be the start of October. Excuse me. And I'm currently working on a really large painting for an event. Ooh, sorry, for October. So I want to focus on that one. But the 30 by 30, maybe I might work on that one as well on the side. Because I actually just recently completed a painting from ones that I was working on for an event in September. So stay tuned for that post review and D-kit video. It's one of my Diamond Art Club paintings, and I'm really excited about how it came out. And yeah, sorry about that. Sorry for the segue. Yeah, I think I'll grab one of the TEMU paintings I just showed for October. 'Cause as I said, I need more Halloween paintings. Oh, I just love this one. And I can just keep staring at it because it's so pretty. And just in case, I'm going to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen. Just in case a nice, wonderful little witch looking at her cards is your style as well. And yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. I just was so excited that when I pulled out the first two that were Halloween, I was just so happy to show these. Perfect because October's about to start. And I really do like these. They came out so pretty. And I'll make sure to put all the information for all these paintings and everything in the description below, just in case any of you are interested in any of these that I was able to show today. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put my channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show everyone all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.